Go.
Welcome to Dougie Boy TV. We're out here today, switching it up a little bit, doing something we haven't seen before. A little pheasant hunt here out at a release site close to where we live. Gonna get the dogs some great dog work today. Hopefully we get some good shots for you guys on film for the birds, and hope you enjoy. Oh, he's already getting birdie. Here we go. You'll notice when his tail starts to go like that he's on a scent, and then if it starts to kind of windmill, go faster, it's getting closer, but he's giving up on that scent. Can't follow him in there. But that's where they go. Remember how the guy said they're going to the edges?
Yeah.
They'll go there. He gave up on it. Alright. Hey, you want a drink? Oh, were you kidding me?
Did he go down? No way.
Are you kidding me? That was a doable shot. He looked like he was
Hit?
maybe a little bit, but
He looked like he was kind of turning down,
that should have been a
but I don't know if he was just flying that way.
should have been a dead bird. He was right
Guess
there.
it's my turn to shoot. I might have made him lose it by stopping him.
Did you get that?
All right, Trapper, good boy, fetch here.
Now she's done, boys.
That was a great shot and a great find by the dog. No point.
It's quite a rush actually, because you're waiting so long to see one,
Yeah.
and then you see one and you're like, oh my goodness.
Hold, Trapper, hold. Hold. Let him pick it up. Let's see. Trapper. Hold.
Here.
Fetch. Well, yeah. Okay. Good boy, Trapper.
Yes, sir. Nice bird, eh?
Yeah, not bad. It's pretty. He's a young one though. Look how short his tail is.
Oh yeah.
And then you see, look
Did
for
you
his.
get it on film?
Yeah, look at his spurs. They're not bad for a young bird.
These things right here.
Yeah. I mean, it's
There
still
you
a
go.
nice, beautiful male pheasant.
Yes, sir. We got one. That's all I wanted. I just didn't want to get skunked.
Good job.
I'm happy. Now it's your turn to shoot.
Right on. Trapper needs some water. I probably was focused on you and didn't even get the bird going down.
I hope not.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah.
Something just flew through there
Oh yeah.
into that tree. Do they go in trees?
Sometimes, but not really. Where is the trap?
Something just went into the tree.
Big.
So, it looked like a decent size.
Oh, I hit that tree. Look at it. Look how I just nailed that tree.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Otherwise, I think I would have maybe. Come on, trap. Well, that sucks.
You're getting all the hard shots though.
My goodness. That one was probably one you didn't want to shoot at. But, oh well.
Get ready. It's right in front of him. It's running.
Trap! At least you're not the only one that misses. What are you laughing at?
I'm not laughing at all. It's just it gets up on the wind and they're going away like that. They're not easy to hit, eh? You sure let us know that it was there.
Yeah, you knew something was there. I wasn't quite ready. I was still running, but what?
Give me the shells. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that one come up quick, hey?
Yeah, I wasn't set yet, but whatever. Just still no excuse. Is that moose tracks?
Sure looks like it.
Cattle.
No, they don't run the cows in here anymore. Oh yeah. Yep, I hope so.
Oh, I hear something.
Right there, grouse.
Grouse.
Get in there. Yeah.
Trap. Oh, he's. Good boy. Come on.
See, it was even hard for him to frickin' find that
Good boy, come on. Come on. Catch it up.
Okay, hold. 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 My bird. Good boy.
Did I annihilate it?
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Here's your bird.
Let's see. There we go. We got ourselves a grouse too.
Now we
And oh, I hit him in the head, eh? See?
Yeah, yeah.
Good. Well, that'll conclude our hunt for today. As you see in the footage, saw 6 birds. You got to see me miss greatly, and but I really got that tree. And Doug was lucky enough to get his first pheasant, so I'm glad we were able to get that on film. And thanks for coming along.